Hello guys, how are you doing? So welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to see private Instagram accounts. Peradventure there's one account you have been wanting to see what's on their profile and you don't know how to go about it and you don't want to follow that account. So just follow this tutorial from the beginning to the very end as I show you how you go about seeing that private account. So for you to do that, just come to your browser, either Chrome or Opera Mini, whatever browser you're using. Then over here you search for itwik.net with the S, add an S to it. I guess you can see the spelling right here. So once you search for this, then it takes you to this site. So if you are new on this channel, ensure you drop a like button, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and also comment if you're getting value or if you got value. So you can see the site right here, the ultimate site for mods guides powered by iTwik. So just scroll down. So once you scroll down, guess you can see what we have here. We have private Instagram viewer. So tap on it to open it. So you can see it says app source ready. Click button below in order to start searching download source. So come over here and click on start now. So once you click on start now right here, then it starts looking for the download source for you. So you can see it's processing already. So let's wait for this to be done processing. It says source found. So let's wait for this to complete. It's still loading. App name might be different to hide it from complete dispatcher. So just wait for this, guys. It's still loading. Then it says you should wait and it takes us here. So what you want to do next is you want to click on download. So now let's look for the source that was just found. So let's scroll down a bit. So you can see right here it says 2575 downloads today. You can see a lot of people are downloading this today because it's really working. It's really working. I can see the number keeps increasing every minute. So they say click the green button below when ready. So you can see this is the button to download the application. So now let's click on this download button which says download the LS26 mod. So this is an alternative button right here, but let's click the first one. So once you click on this first one, then it takes us to this place where you get to like perform one of these tasks, and once you're done performing it, then you get to see how to download the application right away. So once you're done downloading the application, just open it and you get to be able to use it to see any private account on Instagram. It's just very simple. Just ensure you follow the steps, don't miss any step. It works, guys. I'm very sure you come back to the comment section and comment that you actually got this, like you actually were able to see someone's private account following this method. So guys, do it to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe if you got value. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.